Question was, I want to apply order by clause to sort the results to multiple columns. Multiple columns. Let me show you how you can do. So let me write select, and let me take out only two columns like what I want. I will be taking suppose contact first name and last name. First name and comma contact last name. Okay, let me take down from the customers table. Then I'm going to use order by clause. Order by, I'm going to order by the contact first name in ascending. I'll specify here, and let me put a comma, and contact last name in descending. Let me put a colon here. So to have the code more readable, so let me just take this forward. Let me take enter here, and yeah, so this becomes code more readable, so you can easily understand select from order by. Let me execute this code, and now you can see first we have written the contact name, first name, so first name is shown here, then later on the last name is shown from the customers table, and the first name is in the ascending order, and your contact name, depending upon the first contact name, you have this in the descending order. You can see this, but the first sequence will be obviously your first name, and then the sequence will be on the last name.